Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Clockyy Trades here, back out with another video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support lately. I'm at 146 subscribers as I'm recording this video at 5:11 a.m. We're gonna be talking about AMC and basically where it's been trading at, what it opened at. Like I said, it is 5:11 in the morning right now on a Monday. So yeah, if you guys haven't liked or subscribed, please do so. It really helps the algorithm and also helps me grow to get to 200 as fast as possible. And yeah, so we're gonna look at AMC. AMC's opened up around 50.80. It's kind of fluctuating right now, so it's around a 3% increase already. So hopefully it stays around that range, around above $50, because that's what we're kind of hoping for. So $50 is kind of like a resistance point for AMC. I mean, if you look at not the fundamentals, the technical analysis aspect of it, if you feature the full chart. So if you look at it right now, it is kind of on an upwards trend. So I mean, we can honestly see a breakout like this morning. So at $50, if it can break 50.45, if it can stay above that, we can actually see a pretty good run up to probably back up to like $56. I don't know about today, but I mean, it depends how much volume is going to be trading at today. What's going to be open up the price at around 9:30? What's going to be the opening price? Like I said, it is currently 512, and it's just fluctuating anywhere between $50 to $51. It did open, I believe, at 52.05, if I remember. But yeah, so I mean, if we look at it, the RSI it is climbing. I mean, it is kind of getting pretty high. It's at 63.70, but I mean, it's not that bad. But it's still in it's still in a wedge. So if we can see this broken out today, we can very much see a possibility of it shooting back up, like I said, to $56, if not beyond. That's what I'm hoping for. I mean, it depends because of what Friday's outlook was. We could honestly see it just skyrocket today. If not sometime this week, we can actually see it pretty nice. But the major support obviously right now is around $47. The next support is around $41. Also 43 is also a nice one as well. But yeah, that's AMC for right now. If you look at the shift search, if you guys haven't used this is shiftsearch.com. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And yeah, so basically, this allows you to see how many calls or how many calls and puts are bought for the week and also for the day. So as you can see, it says the markets aren't open yet. So basically, because our options feed is 15 minutes delayed, today's trades will start to show up at 9:45 Eastern time. So at that time of day, each day of a trading day, you can see basically right here will show it says volume by day. Instead of last week, it will show, the by hour, so like 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and so forth. So you can see how many calls and how many puts are bought. So you can obviously also like click on this. So if, for example, let's look at the July 9th. So let's look at July 9th, and let's look at let's click this box right now. So the what is this, July 9th, 55 call? Okay, so basically around these calls, people are being bought at 3.1k calls and 368 puts for July 9th. For 55, 59, 56, so basically around that range calls people are buying. As you can see, it is mostly just calls. But yeah, you can basically see how many people think the stock's going to go down, how many think the stock's going to go up, and if they're right or if they're not. You can also hover over these. So July 9th, $55 call. The average is around $15 or $1,500 for the contract, for one contract, and there's 1,100 of these contracts. So this is like a tool I use just to see if people think it's going to go down, up, how many contracts are bought at around that range. And yeah, I mean, if you look at AMC as well, amcmovietheaters.com, we can see that they have all these new movies that are coming out. Obviously, coffee for only $1 plus tax. So if they can do like incentives for people to actually go see a movie, if they can save money, hey, you have a 10% coupon or free drinks for a week, but you have to spend a certain amount of money. If they do something to where they can incentivize, I don't know, on people going to the actual movie theater and actually spend time, spend money, spend the enjoyment of seeing that movie at that movie theater, well, at least try to make it worthwhile for people to actually go out and enjoy it. So for food and drinks, they can obviously make, like I said, they can make combo deals, but combo deals that are actually worth the price. Obviously, they make most of their money from foods and drinks, snacks, they slushies. They make all the money, most of the money from that. They only make, I think, like 20, 25% from the actual ticket itself. They don't really make much on the ticket. It normally just goes straight to the maker basically. So that's what I see that AMC could change. They can honestly just add so many more things to where they can actually save money for the people and save money for themselves, and they can also make more money because supply and demand. If they have more people coming in to see movies but making a little bit less than what they were before, or at least they have the higher demand to meet up the difference of losing the money, however much money they're losing per that combo or that deal that they're doing. But yeah, AMC's at 5078. You know, I'm holding a couple contracts. I'm also holding spreads for 43, 42 strike price and 42, 41 strike prices for various dates. So that's basically what I'm holding. As you can see, I'm holding 386 contracts, which is that's wrong. Um, but yeah, so I run $19,000 in collateral for this right now. So we'll see where this goes. Like I said, I have 43, 42, 42, 41. I have 73, 72 just for the kicks and giggles. I will be rolling them out if it doesn't go to that. That's just for fun, honestly. And yeah, I have a few other things. I have a couple calls, 145 calls for January, and some more put credit spreads. So that's what I'm holding. If you guys want to know what I'm gonna be buying next, just keep up to date. Also, if you guys are holding any stocks or also holding any options, spreads, contracts, nakeds, just let me know in the comments down below if you guys are actually in this squeeze as well, because I really do think that AMC can reach past its very much high. So, like I said, just let me know what you guys are holding in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. It really means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.